I'm going to grab a little section right here. I'm still gonna part the front from close to my temples, but not so far down. Okay, and I'm going to split that up in threes. So I have 3 hair strands right here. And I'm gonna get this one, the left one, put it over the middle. Right one over the middle. I'm going to grab hair from the right side underneath that and put that over the middle. Now I have this. Take the leftmost strand, over the middle. Take hair from the bottom. Take the rightmost strand over the middle, hair from under. Leftmost strand over the middle. Take hair from the bottom. Rightmost strand over the middle. Hair under. Take that over the middle. That pattern is going to continue until you reach the nape of your neck. So I'm going to turn around and show you what it looks like from the back. Leftmost strand over the middle. Take hair from under, over the middle. Rightmost strand over the middle. Take hair from underneath on that side, over the middle. And this is basically going to continue. So I'm going to speed this up. And that's pretty much it. Again, I really hope this was easy to follow. I know there's a lot of videos like this on YouTube, but I really tried to break it down and do it really slowly for those who still don't really know how to do a French braid. So I hope this was helpful for you. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and I hope you subscribe for videos every week. But yeah, this is it. Okay, take care. Bye.